Hey y'all, what's going on? We are on Christine's car, in our Civic. We're gonna put the rear window spoiler. It's a little cold, and I should have worn a jacket. I'm freezing. So I'm heating up the window in hopes that the 3N double-sided tape would adhere better. This is the spoiler right there. I wrapped it in matte black to match our roof. It came unpainted and just primed, so when this is on, it's gonna match. I'm just gonna go and suffer in this cold, heat this up, trying to get it at least a little bit warm, and put it on. I'll see you guys back after it is on. And there we have it. It is installed. Matches with the roof. Yeah, I think it looks good. I really like rear window spoilers. They add a nice touch to the car. I did one long strip of 3N double-sided tape and four smaller pieces along the back end. So I just need to make sure that the front end is secure and locked down. Try to put pressure on it. I tried to heat it up a little bit. I think the next piece that should be added is a duckbill trunk spoiler. I think it'll complement very nicely with the rear window spoiler. I think that should be next. We still have a front lip to put on this car. So that's good. Didn't take long at all, easy. It's just a little cold, I'm freezing, and I'm gonna head back inside.